This is a review on the Partner with Anthony program, PWA for short. If you're unfamiliar with who Anthony is, his name is Anthony Morrison. He's one of the most successful internet marketers that's ever lived. He's a multi-millionaire many times over. You've probably heard it say, to be successful, you need to find a mentor and emulate or model what they're doing. Well, the PWA program takes it a step further than that. Not only do you get a mentor, you also get to partner with Anthony, where he takes you by the hand, and he's going to show you step by step in detail what you need to do from start to finish. You just can't mess it up. He teaches a lot with his whiteboard, and when he needs to, he'll share his screen with you and show you. He'll get his mouse and say, okay, you need to go here, you need to right click this and copy, and then you need to go over here and paste it in. You can't mess it up. It's really a great program. My story is I was a sales manager at a car dealership for 11 years. And that ended in 2002 when I had open heart surgery. I got over that, went back to work. The owner of the dealership told me, he goes, I don't want you to be a manager anymore. He goes, I'm afraid you'll have a heart attack and die on the showroom floor. He goes, how about, well, you want to drive a parts truck? I said, yeah, right. So me and my three brothers got together and we started a fire extinguisher service company. And we've been very, very successful doing that. Well, that was 18 years ago. I'm 56 years old now. I'm getting older. My heart's not that good. My back's starting to go out. And I've been looking for the last 2 or 3 years for something I can do online to replace my income that I've got in my business so I can step away from my business and live the laptop lifestyle, travel, work on the beach if I want to. And there's a lot of junk out there, believe me. I've tried a lot of stuff, and finally I've stumbled upon Partner with Anthony, and I found my retirement. And I just wanted to go over it with you and show you some of the highlights. There's 15 sessions, not 14. And like I said, he goes over everything with you. The biggest reasons people fail. I just want to go through this and show you a couple highlights here. The 12 principles to uncovering the entrepreneur in you. These aren't short videos either. 12 minutes here. I'm going to show you this over here. What is affiliate marketing? 28 minutes. He goes into detail and explains everything to you and shows you, what's going on, and the profit cycle blueprint. That's how you make your money inside the program here. He shows you how to get a custom domain, your own domain name, how to set it up, how to create your own email addresses with a domain, how to set up your funnels in your autoresponder, and basically your funnels that are your website or your web pages. And those are already pre-built for you. He built them all. They're all done. He gives them to you for free. All you have to do is go in and change a few things like the email address and the address and things like that, so you get credit for it. What else do I want to show you here? He does all your emails for you. They're pre-written for people that come to the website and decide not to get in the program. You send emails every day for a week or so following up, and those are all pre-written for you. It's just an incredible program. I don't know if I mentioned, like I said, he teaches a lot with his whiteboard, and he'll do screen sharing with you. He shows you how to get traffic, explains that. This is the main success connection. This is the dashboard. This is all the courses that's inside the Partner with Anthony program. He has courses. He has software. That's how you make money with the program. Every Thursday night he has a program, a live webinar that's free. It doesn't cost you a penny for all his students, and he builds businesses for you. I'm going to show you that in a minute, and gives them to you for free. You can It's fully built funnels, emails. This is the businesses here, like a monthly newsletter business, a 14-day challenge funnel, an Instagram business, Inboxer Academy, 8-figure funnel book business. Those are all pre-built web page funnels. They're yours. You can change them however you want to do them, leave them the way they are, start running the business. It's a great program. This is one of the funnels. It's called a funnel, but it's basically a web page. This is where somebody lands and puts their email address in, and they click to sign up. That goes into your autoresponder, so you get to email and market to them in the future. This is the thank you page, and then it goes to the sales page.
All right, we've waited long enough to go ahead and get started, so I'm going to welcome everybody to this live
He does all this
cast.
for you. It's all laid out, all given to you for free. Here's a clip I wanted to let you see just how detailed it is and how much he cares. Listen to this.
Program. That's the way you do a YouTube review. Okay, this is your first one. This is a basic one. We'll get to some more inside of the course as we move along. So remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I just want you to get it done. So film your video, okay? Film your video, and my suggestion is, even if you are terrified of a camera, just film the video, break out of your shell, remember why you're doing this. We've talked so much about that throughout this program. You can do anything that you set your mind to. Don't have limiting beliefs. Don't put an artificial ceiling over your head and say you can't do it, you're not good at it. Don't feel stupid. Anything that you do right now is learning, it's educating, and it's growing as an entrepreneur, and that's what we should be doing, right? I want to teach you to break out of your shell. I want to help you, and if you follow what I'm teaching you, I'm going to show you how to leverage all sources of traffic, okay? So that you can start creating that traffic that you really want, that can help you build your business. So film this video. Once it's filmed, move on to the next module, because I'm going to show you how to upload this video and how to create all those perfect settings. All right, so film your video and then move on.
See, every module's like that. That's actually what I'm doing right now, though. What I'm filming the video he was talking about there, and this is my very first video. So if you're looking to build a business and you need help and you want something that's legitimate and it's going to make you some money, you owe it to yourself to check this out. Click the link below and check it out. And if you need any help, give me a holler, and I'll be more than willing to help you in any way I can. Good luck, and I think you're going to love it.